Okay, let's continue with example number 22. Here we have square root of x plus 1/2 divided by square root of x, of the x, the integral of this. In those examples, we have to rewrite the function. Simple like this will be x to the 1/2 power. Remember, our equivalent. This is 2. X to the 1/2 power is divided the x. We only rewrite this part. Now, x to the 1/2 power plus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. Now we have in the denominator, we may apply the properties. Now the next example, the next part will be make the integration process. And let's do it faster here. Will be x 1/2 plus 1 will be 3.5 divided by 3.5 plus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power plus 1 will be x to the 1/2 power divided by 1/2 plus c. Now, in this part, we may simplify this. And remember, this is divided. We may rewrite it like 2/3 of x 3.5 plus x 1/2 plus c. And that will be our integral. We flip this and we simplify and we add the constant c at the end. Now, let's make another one. X to the second power plus 2x minus 3 divided by x to the 4th power of the x has to be here. I forgot to write it. Now, this part, the simple way is divide here, because we have a monomial in the denominator. Will be simple. Divide to simplify. It will be x to the second power divided by x to the 4th power. Remember, we have this x to the 4th power plus 2x divided by x to the 4th power minus 3x to the 4th power of the x. It's only rewriting here. Now, in this simple way, will be 1x to the second power plus 2x to the 3rd power minus 3x to the 4th power of the x. Now, let's rewrite more this exercise. X to the negative 2 power plus 2x to the negative 3 power minus 3x to the negative 4 power of the x. Now, let's apply the integral process. Here we have, remember, we add 1. Negative 2 plus 1 will be x to the negative 1 power divided by negative 1 plus 2. We add 1 to the exponent will be negative 3 plus 1 x to the negative 2 divided by negative 2 minus 3x to the negative 3 power divided by negative 3 plus c. Now, let's simplify more here. We have this negative number here will be negative 1 over x. Here, we will cancel this. It will get negative 1x to the second power in the denominator. We cancel this again, negative and negative, positive, it will be 1 over x to the 3rd power plus c. That will be the final answer.